Hi, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I am going to discuss about the faculty recruitment notifications. And guys, today I am going to cover four institute which has released the notification for faculty recruitment. And I will tell you all the details and what will be the eligibility criteria. Let's discuss about the notification one by one. So before going to discuss about the notification, please subscribe my channel and share to your friends also. So let's start this discussion. So the first notification has come from JP Institute of Information Technology, Noida. So as you can see on the screen, this is the official website of JP Institute of Information Technology, and in the career section I have opened this website. So here they have mentioned in the career section faculty recruitment advertisement. So here when you will click here, you can see the details regarding notification. So here they have mentioned faculty positions. They have mentioned here application are invited from well qualified faculty for the position of professor, associate professor and assistant professor, senior grade, grade 2, grade 1 in the following area. So here they have mentioned the department: computer science and engineering, humanities and social science, mathematics, electronics and communication engineering, physical and material science engineering and management. So the candidates with good academic record, experience and qualification as given on the institute website may apply online in career opening on the institute website. So here they have actually mentioned their website link to apply online application. So let's see the discuss about eligibility criteria. Okay, so you have to come back on of this website. So you have to come back again, and here you can see faculty opening, apply online. So when you will click here, you can see the complete detail. Okay, so here you can see the complete detail. Last date of submission of application will be 19th August 2021, and here you can see the availability of vacancies by serial number. So name, here you can see the name of the department: CSE and IT department. Vacancy label: professor, associate professor and assistant professor. Specializations required: computer networks, operating system, latest database technology, and many other specializations are given here. So according to your specialization, you can check the detail. And for maths department, associate professor and assistant professor vacancies here required. And for here HSS, associate professor and assistant professor, and the specialization here they have mentioned. For PMSC, material science and applied optics specializations are required, and here associate professor and assistant professor vacancies is empty. So for this post they have released the notification for associate professor and assistant professor. For ECE department, they need professor, associate professor as well as assistant professor, and specialization here they have mentioned. And for management department, associate professor and assistant professor they have need, and here they have specialization mentioned. So according to your specialization and vacancies and vacancy label and the name of the department, you can apply. Okay, and what will be the minimum qualification experience, you can check the detail by clicking here. So when you will follow this link, you can see the detail about the qualification. So what will be the minimum qualification here for professor, associate professor as well as assistant professor for science and engineering department? Okay, so all the details are given for minimum eligibility criteria. According to your department, you can check all the details. Okay, the next vacancies has come from CV Raman Global University, Odisha, Bhubaneswar. Okay, so they have released online recruitment portal here, and recruitment of teaching and non-teaching staff at CV Raman Polytechnic College. So for Polytechnic department, they have released the notification. Here you can see all the departments and department. So C.B. Raman Polytechnic, a leading diploma engineering school, invites online application for the below position. So in the so for assistant professor in the Department of Electrical, Mechanical, Mechatronics, Chemistry, English and Mathematics, and for lab assistants and programmer in Computer Science, Civil, Electrical, Mechanical, Mechatronics, Physics and Chemistry. And educational qualification and experience they have given on the website, we can see here. So you have to come back again of this website, and here they have mentioned all the details. So you can see here all the details. Okay, and I will tell you one for assistant professor, let's say. So assistant professor in English department, so here qualification, you can check it. Okay, so here they have mentioned assistant professor in chemistry, English, mathematics, job description they have given, and eligibility criteria they have given. Okay, so all the details are given for different departments, as you can see here, and you can apply. So here by applying link they have given, so by clicking on this particular link you can apply here. So you have to submit your information, email ID, mobile number, password, confirm password. After that you have to registration and further process you have to complete. Okay, the next recruitment has come from, you can see here, this notification has come from Oriental University. So guys, this is the Oriental University Madhya Pradesh recruitment, and this is the career section of this university. So Oriental University Indore required top class professionals. So they have need vice chancellor, registrars, professor, associate professor, assistant professor in the Department of Engineering, Mechanical, Civil, Computer Science, Engineering, Electrical, Electronics, Management, Pharmacy, Basic Science and Humanities, Education, Law, Agriculture, Science, Journalism and Mass Communication, Library Science. Okay, and here eligibility criteria they have mentioned as per UGC norms. Okay, and here administrative positions are also required here. So they have given the detail: state manager, legal officer, purchase officer, public relation officer, okay, and accounting assistant. So all the details they have mentioned for administrative position. Okay, so what you have to do, so you have to submit the application in the prescribed format available on this website. So they have mentioned, so what you have to do, here you can see download job application form. So you have to fill this application form and you have to send your resume along with job application form on the hr@orientaluniversity.in. okay, so this is the email ID given. Okay, so you have to download the job application form by clicking on this link, and after downloading this application, here you can see this is the job application form downloaded. You have to fill it, and along with your resume you have to submit on this particular email ID. Okay, so let's discuss about the other recruitment. So here you can see guys, this notification has come from KITS Autonomous and KKR and KSR Institute of Technology and Science. Institute has actually walking interview notification. So here you can see notice board, recruitment notification 2021 on 9th of August 2021. So they have released the notification. Here you can see they have mentioned walking interview. So walking interview will be held at college campus at 9 a.m. on 9 August 2021 Monday. So for the following positions they have released the notification. Department they have given CSE, Physics, Chemistry, Math, English, and positions required assistant professor, associate professors. And for department training and placement cells they need aptitude and reasoning trainer, soft skill trainer. And for department of hostel warden, boys, girls, eligibility and pay as per AICTE norms. For warden they have mentioned any degree and PG. Candidates who are interested for this particular position, they can attend the walking interview on 9 August 2021. Okay, so I hope this information will be helpful for you, and please share this video to your friends also, and subscribe my channel for further such kind of information. Thank you so much.